How to draw a screwdriver, step by step. Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. And if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button right below. Now let's get to the video. For the first step of our drawing today, we're going to draw a simple small curved line towards the center of the page. Attached to this line that we just drew, we're going to go ahead and draw the top portion of the screwdriver. Keep in mind that if I ever go too fast or if you need an additional moment or two, feel free to pause or rewind the video as you need to. And at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause and match your colors. Nicely done! Now we have the top portion of the screwdriver completed. For the next step, we're going to draw the middle section of the screwdriver along with the bottom portion including the point. Let's begin by drawing a small line right below the curved line that we first drew together. Great! Now let's attach two long lines to the small line that we just drew. Fantastic! Now let's go ahead and attach the shape that we just made to the top portion of the screwdriver right above. Well done! Now let's go to the opening portion of the screwdriver and draw the point. Fantastic! Now last but not least, we're going to add in some detail to the top portion of the screwdriver. This is how to draw a screwdriver, step by step. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. And be sure to subscribe to see the latest videos that we upload every single day. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.